Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a new sounds ID for your megaphone gear in Grow Garden. So first you need to get the megaphone. It's a permanent gear that you can buy from the gear shops for 8,000 cyclists. And once you buy it, you will have your own megaphone that can play custom sounds using audio IDs. And to use it, just equip your megaphone like this, and then just tap on this gear icon to enter the ID. For example, I want to enter this one like this. You can just copy my ID, and then after that just enter it. And to play this sound, just tap on this microphone like this. You can hear it. Okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.